Lauren Mitchell graduated from HPD's Police Academy last year. According to the city blog for Huntsville, before joining the department, he served in the Army Reserves, and being an officer was something he wanted to do his whole life. I sat down with a longtime Huntsville attorney to find out how this DUI charge may play out in court. Huntsville police officer Curtis Mitchell is facing a DUI charge after an incident in the early morning hours on St. Patrick's Day of this year. Alabama state troopers say Mitchell collided with the 53-year-old on Waltriana Highway, just north of the Madison city limits. The wreck sent them both to the hospital. Longtime attorney Mark McDaniel says Mitchell could face more charges. McDaniel says that would depend on how severe the other driver's injuries are.
You could, depending on the injury, have a reckless assault charge also.
McDaniel says Mitchell's blood alcohol level will play a factor too in court.
If you're looking at something like over 0.15 and you've got an injury involved, it would be certainly more serious than if you had a under 0.15 and it was no injury.
WHNT News 19 has obtained the arrest report issued the night of the incident. The responding officer notes finding 2 bottles of whiskey in Mitchell's vehicle in the passenger floor seat. It says one bottle had about 2 shots left, the other one half empty.
The issue in the case is going to be the blood alcohol content. You know, when he takes he either had a blood test or he took the breath test. If that shows a high blood alcohol content, that's going to be worse on him, obviously. The fact that there's alcohol bottles in the car, that's just more evidence.
The details of Mitchell's arrest are limited. We don't know what his BAC was at the time of his arrest. A spokesperson for HPD says Mitchell was off duty and in his personal vehicle at the time of the wreck.
There could be certainly employment issues here that the department may look at on that matter. But for any kind of civil litigation, it would be, in my opinion, it would be between him and his insurance company and the person that sustained the injury.
Now, a spokesperson for HPD says Mitchell's badge and service weapons have been taken away pending the outcome of the state's investigation. WHNT News 19 has asked HPD for more details surrounding the DUI charge, but been told no more information will be released until the investigations are completed.